So this is the first vlog on my new lens, 16 to 35.
Don't slip. Out of all the places to slip, do not slip here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna piss myself. The sound of this water is not helping anything. One-handed.
So yeah, like I said, new lens, 16 to 35, Zeiss. Just testing it out today. Well, I tested it on a wedding a couple weeks ago, but first vlog on it today.
Oh my gosh.
There's a frog.
I'm sure this is new. I don't remember this being down last time.
I want to try to get to the other side of the waterfall. I'm gonna go down and around. Down and around. I have a photo idea I want to get.
Someone like right here, zoomed in, and it'd be like a cool contrast.
The lighting conditions are not ideal today. It's like cloudy, which is good, but it's not bright. We came here too late in the evening. By Paul Simon.
Sam is up there. He's gonna try to go out as far as he can to like center himself right here.
I'm gonna put on my 50 and go into APS-C capture mode, see how zoomed in I can get. I hope this works. If not, I'll just crop it down later, but yeah.
He's getting it, he's getting it. A little further. Little.
Alright, so I got the shots. It started raining though, which is not good. Rain is bad. My camera gear at least. I'm gonna have to get across. I won't be able to fly my drone, which sucks. I realize I'm still in APS-C capture mode. There we go, nice and wide. Nice and wide.
The goat, Sam.
So we are hungry, we're gonna go get Taco Bell. Got some cool shots, and now we're getting food.
I can do this one-handed. I'm a beast. Is that from sweat or water?
Water.
Okay. Fishy stanky, fishy stanky. I got STDs.
All she needed was had a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.